What's up, Trojans? I'm Asari Washington.
And I'm Leon Frazier. And you're watching TW Today. It's Friday, May 10th, and we have 19 days left of school.
And 17 days left for the seniors.
As we continue on with the rest of our school year, fundraisers are increasing significantly.
Really?
Yes, ma'am. Relay for Life is a community fundraiser event hosted by Key Club that's coming up very fast.
Ooh, tell me more.
Sounds good. Okay. This event is the American Cancer Society to improve cancer survival and enhance techniques.
So, where is it going to be?
On our very own football field. Teams will take turns walking on the track. Check-in for teams is at 5 p.m., opening ceremony is at 6, and the luminary walk is at midnight on Friday, May 17th.
That sounds so dope. I can't wait to be there.
As the end of the school year is approaching, students are expected to return their books to the library.
Book fees along with student fees should be paid by May 17th.
Or else.
Or else what?
Or else Mr. Bowen will track you down.
Oh.
And possibly be at your front door.
Oh,
so watch out, guys.
Well, you guys better get on that, especially seniors, or else your diploma will be held.
Since we're talking about the end of the school year, it may be the last year for some teachers.
That's right, Leon. It's retirement season. Mr. Veit, Mrs. Harris, and Mr. Lund are all retiring this year.
Let's go behind the desk with Mr. Lund as he talks about retirement and his teaching career here at Wauwatosa West.
Getting through 30 years and remaining positive through all that, it's a challenging job, but I think the thing that kept me positive was the kids that I was working with and my colleagues again, and my family and all this stuff going on. It's a very invigorating kind of thing, and I think I fed off of that, but now I'm tired. I must go.
Mr. Lund, he's a really good teacher because he really, not only does he have like a lot of years of experience, he really does look out for his students. So.
I like Mr. Lund. Ever since I met him, he's been super nice. He's got a lot of positive energy, and he always makes you feel like you're a valuable part of the conversation. He's a good listener, and he never belittles anybody and always gives all of your ideas a good try.
I've been teaching for 30 plus years, since 1992, I believe. My dad was a high school teacher, and when I went into school with him as a young guy, a lot of kids came up to him and said, "Hey, Mr. Lund, how's it going?" I just wanted to do that. And I like school. I like the academic part of it.
Mr. Lund has had a huge impact on my career as a teacher. He showed me how to handle the hard times, how to deal with the tough kids, how to deal with tough situations, how to stay positive, how to come back each day with new positive energy and be the best teacher I can be. If it wasn't for Mr. Lund, I probably wouldn't be the person that I am today.
I love what you do. You gotta focus on working with the kids and making sure you connect with the kids. It's gonna help a lot. Become involved with the community and school, and just love what you do. If you don't love what you do, you'll probably find out within 3 years and you're not gonna wanna do it.
Wow, he will be missed by many of us.
Definitely, he was one of my favorites.
Moving forward, prom was amazing.
So many looks.
Authentic pieces.
And even...
let him cook.
Well, let's just see what Wauwatosa West students wore to prom, made memories with, and their amazing before and afters.
Wow, Leon, thanks for that great video. What we wear really shows who we are as individuals.
Right. It's the same with music for me.
Music is a great way to express ourselves nowadays.
Wait, Messiah, don't you make music?
That's right! We also have a few students here at West that create their own music too.
For our segment, Alex Meyer, Moses Long, Donovan McGee, and Caleb Schultz made this segment about students who make their own music.
This is Donovan McGee. He's a senior at Wauwatosa West with a clear passion for music.
When I was about 6 years old, my dad had this big playlist because my dad's an older dude, so he listens to a lot of older stuff. And my dad had this big playlist of like 70s, 80s, 90s hip hop and R&B. And I remember we were like by the computer and we played it, and that was kind of my first introduction to like old school music. I love music. Music was a big part of my life growing up. I loved it so much that I decided to create the art and make the art in my own way.
This is Ricky Shea. He's a senior at Tulsa West who also finds himself making music.
I say yeah, my upbringing helped me start making music. My mom introduced me to a lot of music at a young age, like Lil Wayne, the Beatles. I do make all my own music. I am in a band of 5. I'd say the ability to make music is way easier now with apps like BandLab, Procreate, and GarageBand. It's way more accessible now than it's ever been.
Well, now it's a lot easier with the internet and tools like that. And it's not only is it easier to blow up, it's easier to start making music. You could literally start making music with like Apple headphones and a free app.
I'd say as of now, yeah. It's become a major trend with students at West, like Don Cartier and other great artists like that. For the most part, it's been really impactful in a very positive way. It's filled a lot of free time that I would have been spending doing nothing. I've met a lot of new people, made great connections. It's been for the better for the most part.
Thanks guys for that fire segment.
Speaking of fire, I always wonder how to make one.
Right? Since the summer's right around the corner, I've been wanting to host a bonfire.
Same!
Right? I guess we're in luck. Caleb Schultz gives us a tutorial on how to start a fire.
Building a fire is pretty easy. The first step is tinder. You're going to need a dry and flammable material like tree bark to start your whole fire. Kindling is the next largest source of fuel that transitions your embering tinder into something that resembles a real fire. Grab assorted sizes of sticks and place them accordingly over your tinder as to not let too much air come in while not crowding the tinder. The idea is that it needs time to breathe in order for the flame to become larger. As you can see here, I am blowing on the tinder. This gives it more air, igniting the embers faster, therefore creating more flame. I call this fire maintenance, and it can be tricky at times. You can use a board to fan the flame also if you don't want to stick your head next to a campfire. Here I am setting up a basic lean-to fire, which is very useful in harsh weather conditions. Its angled kindling acts as a protection against partial rain, and the log the kindling is leaning against helps protect the tinder from wind. Congratulations on your first fire. Now you can sit back and relax with nature as God intended.
It looks like I'm summer ready.
I definitely felt that heat.
Thanks, Caleb, for that scorching tutorial.
Hey Leon, as known, you're a senior, and when it comes to a teacher, what makes him special?
I believe when it comes to a teacher, taking time to build connections and getting to know the student personally is very important.
That's true. Therefore, we can't forget to appreciate our teachers for Teacher Appreciation Week.
That's right. We encourage all students to take a moment to give your favorite teacher kindness and acknowledgement to their jobs here at Tosa West.
Well, that wraps up today's show. I'm Asaya Washington.
And I'm Leon Frazier.
See you next week, Trojans, and have a great weekend.